Hello everyone and welcome to the another session of Capricorn Tech Tuesday. In today's topic, we'll have a quick look and discuss about file viewer on ACC and viewing toolbars. So before moving ahead to the topic, let's have a look also who we are. We are Capricorn Technologies, a Win Zero company, digitalization and net zero partners. We are here as a technology service provider from past 40 years. So as we know, Autodesk Construction Cloud or ACC is majorly divided in three parts. One is Autodesk BIM Collaborate Pro for the design phase of our project, Autodesk Takeoff for the pre-construction phase of our project, Autodesk Build for the construction phase of our project. With this, we have Autodesk Docs for our models, drawings and common data environment, Insight as a dashboards, reports generation, construction IQ data connector, and administration for the user management, Autodesk ID, and project administration. So, as we know, today's our topic is file viewer on ACC and toolbars. So, file viewer feature of ACC platform provides a smart experience to its user on the platform so they can open the file seamlessly without using any third party or any other software there. As we know, we can open about 75 plus type of extension of files or file format directly on the platform seamlessly without any other software. So in our file viewer experience, why it is a smart file viewer, because we don't only view file, we can like review our files also directly on the platform. Not we need any type of another software or application to view that file, which will be like transfer to the software. So different reviewing tools can be directly used on the platform with the viewer experience itself. So some like markups, measurements, issues, etc. can be done on 2D and 3D files. So as we know, we have a Revit model here. So the viewer experience will be some like that. So we will have a viewer when we open our file, it will be directly open to the platform. We will have a quick look on that directly on the platform after the slide. So our model will look like something like that with its all its levels lines are showing there. So our toolbars are there on the bottom side of the viewer. So first one is orbit, second one is pan, another one is fit to view, zoom window, first person, section analysis, measure, settings, properties, full screen. Apart from that, we have a home button here, a view cube for the adjustment of the view which we want to do, a cursor if we are entering on issues and we don't want to create a issue, so we will just move to the cursor, so cursor will be again visible to us and the issue here. So now let's have a quick look on the direct platform itself. So first we'll visit our acc.autodesk.com website for ACC access. When we log in, we'll get a sign in page. As I am already signed in, so I'm just getting directly my home screen where I have a projects here. So my project list will be visible. When you will sign in, you will get your project view, where, how much of project you have. So you can directly see the projects there. So I'll choose one of my project here, which is test project. Now we can directly move to the files from build, or we can go to the docs. In docs, we have files here. We'll click on the files and then we will get our folder structure which was created for this project. Now you have to move to your file, or you can also search your file by file name or file type. Here you can filter that things also. So as I know where my file is, so I'll directly move to my file. When I click on my file, as you can see, any other third party software or any other software is not needed here. So I can directly open my my 3D view here. Also, we have a toggle between previous file and next file here. We can also view a grids where we have all our file list, like which will be our next file in that folder, which will be the previous file in that folder. Right now, we'll not talk about that thing. So we will just have a quick look on our toolbar. So here I have a orbit. So when I'll command a orbit, as you can see, I can move my model on the upward, downward direction, left, right, where I want to, like orbit my view. Another one is a pan. I can easily pan my view, like I can move it wherever I want to. And right now, if I move to the interior part of my model, and if my model is very big, I want to again go back to the like first view, I'll just use fit to view, where as you can see, I already selected a element here. So that's why it's giving me this type of response. Now I deselect this and I'll select a fit to view. Now I'll get all the view access of my model. Zoom window help us and either zooming option where I'll just toggle between zoom in or zoom out. Otherwise, I have a zoom window option here. When I'll move out of this command, and here I have a zoom window. If I want to zoom this railing, I'll just click here and make a window here. And now let's see, I have a railing view, a proper railing view here. So now I again move back to my fit to view. First person can be also done here. uh, we will get a quick look on this. We can use upper key, lower key, left, right key with WASD keys also for the moving forward, backward, left, right direction. Go up, down keys are here. Run keys is here. Teleport keys are here. Look around, adjust speed. So we can do every type of navigate in first person view. We have to just okay, got it. And now I'll move to my I'll make a quick walkthrough of my project here. I can select the elements. Also, we have a right now I am on the level of 9. Now, if I want to go to the level first floor, it will directly take me to the first floor. Here we have a mini map. Mini map will guide us that where we are and where we are moving, where we are looking right now. So it will give us a good look of this project. Now I'll move forward. I can analyze all the elements of my project here. Let's have a quick look. I'll just move in this room. I can see my whole room here. What are the conflicts here? Which beam is wall is up to the beam or it is connected. I can see all the things here. Now we will move to again fit to view. Another one is a section analysis. We can section in our model. We'll have another topic on the whole topic for the section analysis. So we'll talk about that in later on brief. We have our measure. If we want to measure this uh, part, we can measure it. Right now it's 1105.0. We can uh, create a setting. Apart from millimeter, I can use decimal feet, feet and fractionals, etc. Whatever I want to use. For example, if I'll choose meters here and I'll use ton, and whenever I'll start measuring my objects, for example, recently I measured this, so it's approximately 1.1 mm. I can also precise my decimals here. So that apart from that, I have a angle measurement, I have a calibrate view. I'll just delete this measurement, want to delete this. So I'll just currently click on this and delete it. Apart from that, we have a settings that performance optimization is there, how you want to view your display, selections are there, navigations are there, like view cube, show view cube. If I want to turn off this view cube and want a full look, I'll just turn it off, or it will be there. Appearance of my visual quality will be what, and what type of environment is there for the model. If I'll choose a dark sky, it will provide a dark sky where my model will be there. If I'll choose a simple gray, it will be like a simple gray view for my model here. So if you want to like restore all the settings, you have to just in down here, we have a restore all default settings. We have a properties here. In properties, we will get the name of like name, which type of view is there. It's 3D. Extents are here, scope box, crop view. We can have a different type of like properties which we can want, which we will just like can access here. So all type of the properties will be there, like projection is what, orthographic, eye elevation is what, and we have a full screen view also, where apart from any cross button, we have a full screen view. We can create our issues from here. This is our issue command. So if I want to create a issue of clash here, I'll just mark it, and I can publish this issue to someone whom I want to inform about this, and then they will create a addition here, and they will edit it, and then our model will be done. So I'm right now deleting this issue. I'll have a mouse cursor here. Whenever I am on issue command, I don't want to create a issue, I'll just click on this mouse cursor. We have a view box here where we will like, it is also like a orbit. So we can orbit our view here with the view box. If I want to directly go to the right view, I can see the right view here. I'll just have to fit this and done. Apart from that, we have our sheets and views here. We have levels here. We have issues again here, and we have a model browser. So we can do different type of things by giving different type of commands. Apart from that, we can see the file name here with a version 1. It will automatically take the latest version which will be there, and we can compare between the different type of versions of a same file. From this compare, we have more options here. We can share our drawing with someone. We can download the source file to our local drive. We can print this, and with this cross, we will just exit our viewer file here. So this experience is not an editable. We will like need the Revit or any 3D software which will be used to make a 3D file. We'll need that for the edit things, but for the markups, for the reviews, we don't need any other type of applications. Let's have a quick look on any drawing files. So I have a 2D file here. Here I'll have many type of toolbars again for, or which was only for 2D. Also, we can open our PDF directly on the platform. We don't need any Adobe or any third party applications or any other applications to open the PDF files. It will be directly open to this. And again, we have a pan, a fit to view, a zoom window, a measure tool is there, settings are there. So current view is not supported by viewing because we are right now view cube is not activated because it is a 2D drawing, and place me is the another one where we can directly place ourselves on a 3D drawing. So we have a settings, we have a properties, we will just full screen this 2D view. Apart from that, we have all our markup tools here with the issue tool here. We have a sheets which was attached with this. We have a levels, we have a layers about this. We have like viewpoints, what we are viewing, model browser, and markups, and also issues here. So apart from that, as I already, we can search here. about any keywords. If any dimensions are there, we want to just search it out, we'll just put that dimensions and it will be moved to that part. Apart from that, we have compare, we will have a open in AutoCAD. If you want to open this file directly on an open AutoCAD and directly want to like do the modifications or anything, you will do that. But for that, we need an AutoCAD in our system. We have again same things, download source file. Apart from that, we have a shortcuts here where we can put our shortcut to this drawing. And now that's it all for this. And also the experience for the viewer experience is very good, because we'll not need a full version of AutoCAD or Revit to like review the file, or we don't need a print where we will just mark it out that this the modifications will be done for the higher authority, higher management persons who are only there to review the files, who don't have to like modify the files. So also we have, as we know that we have a common data environment here also, and all our files are clouded here. We can easily review it, we can easily mark up on that, we can easily create an issue and provide to the assign to the some person who can like modify it and again move to the same platform. So that's it for the today's session. We'll meet again on the next video. Thank you.